Hey friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the activities which are going in the education sector in our country during the lockdown period due to COVID-19. So for discussing on this question, stay connected to this channel and share this video with your friends and also press the like button. Let's start our video. The first thing happened in the education sector of our company which reduces the faith of the users over the online platform is the Unacademy data loss. According to the report, the data of the user, whether the user is teacher or a student, is available over the dark site in a price of 1,50,000 rupees, but the company is claiming that the data present over the dark site is only the username and the email address of the user. But some websites are also claiming that the data present over the dark site also contains the card number and the account number of the user, which reduces the faith of most of the users on the online platform for education. The second thing claimed by the government of India is that the Zoom app used for the video calling and the online meeting is not safe for the use by the companies or the users too, because it steals our data from our mobile phone or the PC or the Mac and avail it to the hackers and the crackers for the unofficial use, or the data may be used recklessly over the internet. So the government prohibits the use of the Zoom app. The third thing in the response of second is that the country's biggest company, Reliance Jio, put the JioMeet app for the online video calling and the online meetings and claim that it is safe for the use. This not only benefit the company by gaining the users of Zoom app too, but also gaining a respect in the heart of the Indians. The fourth thing is that, which more of you are aware, that the use of the YouTube app over the internet is increased and the questions and the lectures are more searched over the YouTube for gaining knowledge by the students or the teachers too, because it avails the data freely to the users. And also the use of Doubtnut app is also increased. So in this video, that's all from my side, and subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Thank you.